Hey there, do you own a business? Do you want to sell more? Have you got landing pages on your website or web pages of any kind? If so, take a look at this screen capture of a landing page I wrote for a client. In it, we offered a free report to baseball coaches. The headline, the bullets, and the other copy are all good, if I do say so myself, but the title for the report is what really steals the show here. It's not 101 ways to throw harder with weighted balls. It's not secrets of weighted balls revealed or anything like that. It is called the case against weighted balls. Now, this is an idea which is called selling against the grain. It's a way to fly under your prospects' radar and open up their minds to a new idea because it's completely unexpected. If you're a butcher, you could have a landing page that says the case against red meat, for example. If you're a used car salesman, it could be the case against buying a used car. You get where I'm going with this? By going against what they expect to see, it startles prospects and they have to open their minds and consider, what is this really about? So this is the way that we got attention for this landing page and ended up getting 59% conversion rates on this thing. And it produced more than 804 very valuable and qualified leads for my prospect. So it's certainly an idea worth testing in your business. And the bottom line is this: when everybody else is saying and doing the same thing in your market, it's a screaming opportunity for you to be different. Go against the grain, sell against the grain, and see what happens.